This is a brand new 2013 Ford Expedition, a big SUV for big fun. This SUV has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 5.4-liter V8, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, a premium audio system, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: adjustable driver pedals, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, cruise control, rear audio controls, latch-ready child seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, dual power seats, air vents for rear-seated passengers, steering wheel mounted stereo controls, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.